Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to summarize long articles with DeepSeek on iPhone. If you don't have time to read full blogs, research papers or news posts, this method lets DeepSeek do it for you in seconds. First of all, open the DeepSeek on Safari or Chrome, or you can download the app, and then you guys will have to open the article you want to summarize, then tap share, copy link, or select the whole entire article text, copy. In DeepSeek the chat box, type summarize this article in simple language and bullet points, then paste your links or text below. Next, you can tell DeepSeek exactly how to summarize. Give me a 1 minute summarize in 5 key points. Make a short script for YouTube or Reels. Step 5, use Smart Mode for accuracy. If available, tap Smart/Pro mode to get a deeper summary with key insights instead of generating text. Copy the summary, paste it into your Notes app, Notion, or directly into your videos as skip editor. Safety tip: don't paste sensitive or overpaid content from subscription sites. Use DeepSeek only for public articles. Copy and paste the direct quick fix: if it does not summarize links, copy and paste it directly. Paste the article's text directly. Some websites block link previews. Subscribe for more, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.